we last week, Friday, closed just above this convergent channel area, and that is the 111.19 to 112.19 region all week long. Having closed above both the descending 3-4 month channel top and back above the 9-month channel bottom does indicate a likely 3 to 5 month rally into the low 150s. Now we're at the very earliest stages, which is the most susceptible to rejections, but I do think that if you're to play the market in this vicinity, if you were to say you're going to go long for the next 2 to 3, 3 to 5 months, or you're going to go short, it would be long above this area, 111.19, 112.19 on the weekly chart. Anticipating over the next couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, 124.09 speed line resistance, and yes, the lower 150s in reach as we move into later year. You've got that channel bottom on the daily chart. The same channel bottom we find at 112.19 on the weekly chart. On the daily chart is this line here at 111.81. And we also have the descending channel top, 111.19 on the weekly chart, is on the daily chart at 111.05. Holding above this area maintains a stable dynamic anyway. And in fact, I think 123.64, the descending 2/3 speed line, is likely over the next couple of weeks. And as I say, as we continue into the third quarter, fourth quarter, the low 150s remain in reach over the next 3 to 5 months. Certainly, if we were to close above the 124.09 over the next couple of weeks, that is another sign of continued strength. And we could see that low 150s within about 2 to 3 months of closing above 124.09. 115.10 still has meaning. That is the high of the low on the weekly chart. The actual move low that was put out in early April, the high of that week was 115.10, and we have yet to close above that on a weekly basis. A settlement today above 115.10, I think, should yield 119.88 by Friday's close. And then we're just sort of well on our way to reaching 123.64 over the next couple of weeks. A settlement then above 119.88 would indicate 123.64 within just another 2 to 3 days, where we can top out on a weekly basis, possibly into early June. We could fall back into the 111 handle, perhaps. Closing above 123.64 would be a significant buy signal through June and into July. Now, downside, breaking 111.05 on an intraday basis does allow 107.10 intraday because it is possible, although what is probably likelier is that a settlement below 111.05 today would yield 107.10 tomorrow. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.